Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So today we are doing a detailed tutorial of this design here. Then we'll go ahead and price it, how much we'll be selling it, and at the end of the video I'll introduce the next episode. So make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. This is episode 23 and let's dive right into the video. I'm using 0.25 beading thread and I've put a needle at each end of my thread. I'm using the smaller size of seedweed pink, and I'm using size 8mm white pearls and 6mm yellow pearls. Other materials used will be in the description box so you can check them out after the video. I just went ahead to pick 7 seed beads, so that's 7. Then I pull it all the way to the center and I'm going to cross thread with 1 seed bead. So this is the 1 seed bead. You pick it on any of the needle and you pass the other needle towards your opposite direction. I don't know if that makes sense, but exactly like so. Then just put the 2 needles together and pull your bead all the way down to join the others, and this is what you should have. You should have this cute circle there. Now I'm going to pick 4 seed bead on the left thread and 4 seed bead on the right thread. So 4 seed bead on the right thread, then I'm picking 4 seed bead with the left needle. So that's 4. Then I'm going to cross thread with 1 pearl, 1 white pearl. So this is what I have up to this point. So I'm going to cross thread with 1 white pearl. I pick 1 on the on the right needle, and I'm passing the left needle through it towards my right. So just like so. And this is what you should have up to this point. Now once that is done, I'm just going to pick 1 on the left and 1 on the right. I'm going to pick 1 yellow pearl on the left and 1 yellow pearl on the right using my left and right needle. I went ahead to pin it down so that you know exactly what is going on. So I just did that real quick. So 1 on the left, 1 on the right needle. The left needle was proving stubborn. Alright, so this is what I have. I'm just going to let them go down. Then I'm going to cross thread with 1 pearl. So that's basically what I'm going to do till I get to the length I want. Once again, if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps YouTube to push my video. It helps with the algorithm. So give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe. This is episode 23 of the beading series. We are still on season 2. Season 2 is about bracelets. We've already dealt with season 1, which was about slippers. You don't want to miss like any of the 7 amazing episodes coming your way before we move on to season 3, which is going to be about necklaces. So you know what to do, right? Yeah, you know what to do. If you are new, please subscribe. If you are old, and I'm sure you enjoyed the other one, that's why I came back, please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded. So let's just let me leave you to watch closely, and I'll join you when I have to explain any part again. So enjoy your video and please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget at all. Yeah. So to finish it up, I went ahead to pick 7 on the right needle, and then I'm just going to get rid of the 2 needles. Mind you, I picked only with the right needle. So I'm getting rid of the 2 needles, and I'm going to tie a secured knot, just like so. So you tie as many knots as you want, but just make sure your work is secured, and then I'll get rid of the excess thread and finish it up real quick. So I'll be using jump ring and collapse ring, and I'm just going to attach them to the seed bead part, and then we'll be out of here. So let's do that real quick, but let's get rid of this excess thread first. So guys, this is what we have up to this point. This is very simple and gorgeous. I'm sure you testify to the fact that it's really nice, really nice. So this is my jump ring, and that's my collapse ring. I'm just going to attach it to it and attach it to that end of the bracelet. Then to the other end, I'm just going to add multiple jump rings. So these are the jump rings. I'm just going to make them into a long chain and then attach it to the other end of the bracelet. Once again, if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And the next episode, I'm so sorry, wasn't ready as at the time I was uploading this, so I wasn't able to share with you the next episode, but it's one amazing video. That's why it's taking too much time. You don't want to miss it, like you don't want to miss it. So yeah, please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded. And I'll see you in episode 24. Yeah, so I'm just basically before I make a lot of mistakes right now, I'm really dozing off while I was doing this voiceover. So guys, please take care of yourself. COVID is still around. Take care of yourself. Be very careful when you go out, and don't forget to mask up and stay safe, because I need you. I really need you. Yeah, we all need you alive. So take care of yourself, and we'll meet here in 2 days time for episode 24. Bye.